How to know if someone blocked you on iMessage. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to know if someone blocked you on iMessage. So let's begin. I will be using the Notes app since I cannot show you any pictures or demonstrations. So right here you may be able to see how to know if you are blocked. So the first option that I can give is that you should send a message on iMessage and it appears not delivered. Instead, the delivered option or text found on the lower right of your text. So again, if you send a message and it appears not delivered, then most likely you have been blocked by that person or that user. And then the second one is try calling them through your phone or through your FaceTime. And if it automatically redirect you to voicemail, then again, that is most likely an indication that you have been blocked by that person. However, you should also consider the um, situation of that person. So let's say, for example, that his or her phone is already turned off due to the low battery, or also that he or she has no signal. And then the third one that I can suggest is you should go to your phone app on your iPhone and then try calling them by typing the asterisk or pound and then 67 plus their number. So go ahead on their phone and then type in the asterisk and then 67 and type in their phone number. And if um if it will ring, then most likely you have been blocked. So I would like to reiterate that this method that I have taught you is not 100% accurate since there is still no way if of knowing that you have been blocked by other users. So that's it. That's how you may know if someone blocked you on iMessage.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.